Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good. So as you have got the idea from thumbnail, in this video we are going to look about the functionalist school of thought. Before directly getting into the topic, let us first understand what is school of thought. It's the way and it's the approach we try to study society. When it comes to sociology, there are three main school of thought: functionalist school of thought, conflict school of thought, and interpretative school of thought. The very basic premise of functionalist school of thought is in the name itself, the word function. The school of thought says that everything in the society, every institution, every person, every system has some or other function to play. And by playing out their own functions, their own roles, it ensures harmony in the society and proper and smooth functioning of the society. It says that every institution is functional and maintains stability and equilibrium in the society. As you can see on the screen, I have seen different institutions: the educational institution, which is school or college, the religious institution, which is church, temple, mosque, synagogue, the hospitals, the total institution, that is jails, prison system, the police system, which ensures the proper maintenance of rules and regulations in the society, then administrative system. All this system in aggregation ensures proper and smooth functioning of the society. The functionalist school of thought is mainly evolved from this basic terminology called organismic analogy, which was given by Spencer. It's a very simple concept. By organismic analogy, the word itself, organ, is there. Spencer gives an example of a human body. In our human body, there are different organs. There is heart, brain, lung, stomach, abdomen, which we call lung system is there, heart system, cardiac system is there, bone structure. Every organs work in tandem with each other, and through cooperation of every organ and functioning of every organ, it ensures a harmonic balance of human health. And if any of the organs starts dysfunctioning or any of the organ have some problem, then the whole human body gets disturbed. For example, if my stomach is not well, I will not be able to study properly. If my heart is not, if I'm not able to breathe properly, then I might not be able to concentrate on my work. So, in order to ensure a proper and good health of a human being, it is very important to have all the organs functional and are in good condition. So, the same organismic analogy was used by functionalists such as Durkheim to explain that how different institutions helps to maintain stability and equilibrium in the society. Why I'm emphasizing on these two words, stability, equilibrium, harmony, because these are the keywords which are associated with this functionalist school of thought. Another important concept is social consensus. So, in order to ensure this proper functioning, it is very important that whatever beliefs are mine are associated with a particular institution should be the same with the other person's belief of that particular institutions. So that is social consensus. So members of the society agree upon something. They have a common agreement and work together to achieve what is best for the society. So here we can apply utilitarian perspective. So the social consensus is basically trying to achieve the greater common good and not the good of an individual, but it is working for the community. To give an example of a functional school of thought and to just how we can apply this in our day-to-day life is uh, related to religion. So Emile Durkheim, which is considered as one of the important thinker of functional school of thought, in his book called Elementary Forms of Religious Life. So in his book, he gives a very interesting example. So there is this tribe in Australia called Arunta tribe, and during those primitive times, there were no such means for entertainment, or people were isolated, or they were engaged in a particular work. They didn't have that sort of means of recreation, but they used to associate a particular totem, a belief. And in order to worship that totem, they used to come together. And when they used to come together, they used to feel very good. And which was called by Durkheim as collective effervescence. So when they come together, they experience that happiness, they experience that solidarity, and they wanted to experience that feeling many more times, again and again. So they started associating a meaning to that totem, which is something, we attach a feeling to it, or it's like a idol worship, if I have to generalize it. So people used to come together and used to feel very good. So Durkheim says that religion has a function which brings people together. It helps to maintain stability, it maintains solidarity between people, and it binds the society together. So, this way, religion is functional to the society. It is not creating any dysfunctions in view of EMILE Durkheim. So, this is all about Functionalist School of Thought. I hope you are pretty much clear with this concept. And in our next video, we'll be looking at the Conflict School of Thought and what are its basic premises. Thank you so much for watching this video.